Okay, Mike, I've got a little demonstration video here for you of the circuit that we've been working on together. This is a customized version of our servo speed reducer, and this one is designed specifically for RC cars, and it differs from the standard servo speed reducer in that the down action of the throttle channel is executed with no speed reduction. So when the throttle is moving from a higher throttle position, moving downward, it doesn't matter if it's just moving down one or two clicks or if it's moving down from wide open throttle to brake, the movement of the servo is not slowed down at all. When the throttle stick is being moved up, for about the first 30% of the channel, you wanted no speed reduction, and then you wanted the speed reduction to take over at about 30% of throttle on up to wide open throttle. So I've got a receiver here, I've got my Futaba T8J, and I've got the servo speed reducer, and this servo will serve to show you what the output going to your speed controller will be like. So we'll start off here. You'll see that the throttle is all the way up at wide open throttle. And by the way, for those of you who may be watching this who are not into the RC cars, I don't have an RC car transmitter to use to demonstrate this, but in an RC car, it's kind of like a helicopter is, in the sense that the throttle engages from about center on up, and from center down is the braking function. So that's why it's designed to take over only at the center point of the channel. But we're at wide open throttle right now, so I'm gonna bring the throttle down, and you'll see that the output to the speed controller is not limited in any way. I'm gonna go back up to the middle point of the channel now, and you'll see that that portion of the channel is moving as normal, no speed reduction. But now I'm going to go from down all the way to wide open throttle, and you'll see that the servo will move a little bit past center, which is about 30% of your throttle up, and then the speed reduction will take over. So we're going to go up now, and you'll see that it moved past center instantly, and then the speed reducing function took over and went on to wide open throttle. So I'll show you that again. We'll come back down, instantaneous movement, come back to center instantaneously, and we'll go up, and you'll see it kind of jump about 30%, and then it will start slowing down. Okay, so I'm going to box this up and send it to whoever you want me to send it to for them to test it. And of course, I think you already realize that we have complete control over all of these parameters. We can change the point at which it cuts in. We can increase or decrease the amount of speed reduction. I think we can tweak it to make it do exactly what you want it to do. So I'll get this boxed up and get this video uploaded to YouTube, send you the link, and then we'll go from there. Thanks, Mike.